Hello guys, my name is Sanjay Kumar Barik and today I am going to speak about an excellent idea how to improve your brain power. Guys, it is very clear that most of the students studying but forgetting. Also same thing happened in my life that when I was continuing my matric, my plus 2 career and also my graduation. So whatever I was learning, I was forgetting everything. So after completion of my graduation, I thought what the lesson I have remembered. Only I have known how to read and write. I don't have any idea about the whole world. I don't have any lesson in my mind that I have learned. So it was too difficult for me to remember all the lesson, whatever I was learning. So I would like to say, most of time I thought how to improve our brain power. So one day I come contact with my teacher that he said me and the tricks that how to improve the brain power. So by applying his idea, I could improve my brain power. I could remember millions of stories and thoughts and also millions of answers of these questions. So I can speak all answer of these questions and by applying my brain power. I would like to say this is possible only for the improvement of brain. So today I want to give you trick how to improve your brain power yourself. My first trick is eye contact. Eye contact is the best way by which you can improve your brain power. Remember guys, first point is eye contact. Eye contact. So while you are talking with someone, so you should have to look at the eyes, not particularly eyes but middle of the eyes. So I would like to say, if you are looking to the eyes, looking to their face and communicating with them or listening your teachers, listening your lectures or in the classroom, then whatever the lesson you are listening, you can remember permanently till end of your life. This is the permanent receive of the brain if you are listening to someone with eye contact. So my next point is that tongue twister. Tongue twister. So I would like to say you should, if you want to improve your brain power, so you should have to focus on the second point, that is tongue twister. If you are practicing the tongue twister, you can improve your brain power. And my tongue twister that I was telling, Betty bought a bit of butter, but butter was bitter, so Betty bought another bit of butter to make bitter butter better. Betty bought a bit of butter, but butter was bitter, so Betty bought the bitter butter to make bitter butter better. This is the way by which you can improve your brain power. And I would like to say, next point is prayer. Prayer. If you are doing regular prayer, then you can also improve your brain power because prayer gives you good concentration and make your mind constant and you make your mind cool. By this way you can also improve your brain power. Another thing, meditation. And number 4, meditation. If you are doing regular meditation, also you can do improve your brain power like Swami Vivekananda, and he has improved his brain power by doing the meditation. So most of people might develop their brain power by doing prayer, and I have changed myself by applying the tongue twister that I say Betty bought a bit of butter, but butter was bitter, so Betty bought a bit of butter to make bitter butter better. And another thing, that is eye contact. So guys, I don't want to waste your time. And I want to say, focus only these 4 points: eye contact, tongue twister, prayer and meditation, by which you can improve your brain power. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.